I'm pretty sure I have been tagged in this Instagram post probably like 17,000 times. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Now, in all seriousness though, this thing is incredible. It's a 2018. It's the Lamborghini. The $19,000 question though is, do we do it? Do we buy this absolutely incredible piece of machinery? If today's video gets 99,999 likes, I will buy it. I promise you guys here today, I will buy this. Smash the like button. The Lamborghini is coming to Utah. Now, this last weekend, I had one of the coolest experiences ever flying off to Mexico City. I attended the Fan Fest for the new Fast and the Furious movie, Fast 10, that just dropped in theaters on May the 19th. If you haven't seen it yet, you gotta go check it out. It is absolutely crazy. I have loved Fast and the Furious basically my entire life. For the last 20 years, it has truly inspired me and it has fueled my passion for everything related to cars, which is why it is so exciting to announce today's video sponsor is Fast 10, Universal, and Ruffles.
It's showtime.
You Tiny Tej. Tiny Tej?
Now, Fast, X and Ruffles have partnered up to take your entertainment and your palate up a notch. Ruffles is introducing limited edition, specially marked potato chip bags featuring your favorite Fast 10 rides. And they've just introduced an all-new flavor, Honey Habanero. This sweet yet bold flavor matches the adrenaline and rush of Fast 10, kicking your taste buds into overdrive. Now, not only is Ruffles leveling up your snack game, they're also giving away 800 weekly prizes, including free movie tickets and Fast X swag. Simply visit rufflesfastx.com, and on top of the weekly prizes, one grand prize winner is gonna win a Final Call 2023 Dodge Charger RT. Click the link in the description below to learn more, or simply visit rufflesfastx.com, and good luck. Now, today is a pretty special day here in the state of Utah. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is 80 degrees and there's not one single cloud in the sky. In a lot of ways, this is the first day of summer 2023. We're going on our first drive. We're meeting up with 15 other homies and we're celebrating the 60th anniversary of Lamborghini, Porticini, Fettuccini, Alfredo, Lamborghini. So Lamborghini became a car company in 1963. Fast forward to 2023, it's been 60 years. There's just something special in the summertime with this Aventador Roadster. When the sun hits it, the whole thing just lights up. It just glows. This car is so cool. Oh, it's definitely my favorite car. I think one of the craziest parts about Lamborghini is the origin of the brand. So the story goes, Enzo Ferrari actually offended Ferruccio Lamborghini, who was a customer of Ferrari at the time, to the point where Ferruccio went out and built his own car company, dubbed obviously Lamborghini. At the time, Ferruccio was building tractors. He went to Enzo Ferrari to make improvements to the Ferraris at the time, and Enzo Ferrari told him to stick to tractors. Lamborghini itself, the brand, my love, my passion, we wouldn't be talking right now if Enzo Ferrari had never offended Ferruccio Lamborghini. That's crazy. There's just nothing like trying to contort yourself into a little pocket rocket that smells like fresh fuel and Italian leather. As far as the proper process to get out of the Countach, there's a lot of grunting and a lot of moaning. These two cars, they actually share so many similarities. The Countach basically has like a factory wide body kit. The Aventador obviously with the Liberty Walk wide body kit, both white interiors and both white wheels. Every single time I see my Aventador Roadster on the road, I'm always checking to make sure nothing's falling off, and so far, so good. I totally forgot how bad the brakes are on this car. You guys probably can't feel all the shake and bake right now, but we definitely need to get those sorted ASAP. Now, we've been here a couple times on the channel, but today it is Lamborghini parking only. Check that out. Okay, so I don't know how we're gonna park this thing, but we'll figure it out. There are so many sick Lambos here in the state of Utah now, like that blue STO. We got the Urus, the Performante. I can't actually see where I'm going. I don't think Sophia was expecting this kind of pressure to park the Aventador Roadster, but she's crushing it. I don't think I've ever seen a more beautiful sight than this right here. I can tell she is not enjoying this, but check this out. We got a matching Aventador Roadster right there, white on white. Countach Aventador. I tell you, this Rosa Cantus, something about the summertime, the sun shining on her, she looks so good. And with Sophia driving, 10 to 10 can confirm. I always say this time and time and again, find yourself a girl who can park a Liberty Walk Aventador Roadster between two Murcielago's. The color palette going on right now. We got another Mercy, an Aventador SV here. But man, this looks good.
Jump out.
Yeah, it should be okay. Now, we've been to this house several times, and I cannot get over how cool it is, especially after building my house. Like, the level of detail on this thing, I can only imagine the process, the cost, and the stress that this thing took. Also, the Stormtrooper Aventador Roadster is so good with the matching helmets. I gotta get one of those for the Countach. That is sick. And of course, we have the unicorn of the group, the manual Murcielago Roadster. There are so few of those in the entire world. Also, yes, this house, it has a stream running through the front yard and a waterfall, and we have a bunch of Lamborghinis. It's a good day. I'm so glad summer is finally back. So we're actually gonna leave the Countach here. I don't quite trust it on the drive. It's also really slow, so. You look better than me driving that car. What? Are you kidding me? That roadster can't just here in the sun. But like, this house is so crazy. So the $1 million question, would you rather have all the Lamborghinis or would you rather have this house? Of course, we got Damon right here in the brand new Diablo 6.0, looking so good. Ironically enough, we actually have more V12s here than V10s, and that's a good day. SV right here, Verde Ithaca with the satin PPF. I also have to point out it's Sunday morning, but Sophia, you're being outdone. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Yes, sir. Are you driving or am I? I'm driving? Yeah. Okay. The purists are not going to be happy. They are not going to be happy. You just dented your 6.0 Diablo. No, you're good. You're good. That's Italian grade steel right there. Exactly. All right, so we're headed that way. Back to Mexico. I realized we were just in Mexico. We're actually going back to Mexico. Back to Mexico City via Guadalajara. That's right, baby. This is a sick view right here. Lamborghinis as far as the eye can see, in front of us and behind us. Oh, it's so good. The summertime is finally back. We have not been on a proper drive with 15 Lamborghinis in such a long time. This is how you do it. All right, Mercy Roadster blocking traffic for us. It's gonna be a very slow, very slow drive. 100% slow. So good. That is feeling such good spec. Welcome back to 2001. Lamborghini Diablo. Now, I need a Diablo. Coming soon to the channel. Lamborghini Diablo coming to channel very soon. We have the His, Performante, and Verde Mantis. And we have the Hers Lamborghini Urus, also in Verde Mantis. That might be the best iteration of the Aventador. And of course, we have the Fiat 50 Supercar, STO. God bless Lamborghini. You listen super closely, you can hear the Fiat 50. What exhaust is on that car? It sounds so good. I tell you what, boys, this is what dreams are made of right here. Lamborghinis as far as the eye can see. And we have officially made it back to retrieve the Countach. Honestly, the Countach for that house, that's sick. I forgot how hard it is to drive this car. Like, you can't see anything whatsoever. It's kind of like snow blindness. Use your sunglasses. She doesn't like wearing her sunglasses because she feels more like a diva. You're not a diva. You're just driving a pink Lamborghini Aventador. We got the manual Mercy coming in as well. I don't know, maybe back up real quick, so. There we go. Good. There's just something about a Lamborghini Mercy. As far as the best designed Lamborghini ever, with the bat wings up in a roadster form, I mean, it's gotta be one of these two, right? Right? Every single time. Third time's a charm? Come on, baby. Come on. Try to keep up. Keep up. I don't know if she's gonna keep up. A very precarious sequence in the vlog. It has started to rain. Not a big deal to Countach, but Sophia's in the Aventador Roadster, and the roof is off the car, and there's nothing we can do. There's absolutely nothing we can do. There's only like a couple clouds in the sky, so it should pass. Also, the windshield wiper in the Countach, look at that thing. That's 36 years old. And just too easy, we have made it back here to home sweet home. Now, some of you guys might notice we're starting to get the front fence in place. The gate's gonna be installed next week as well. So slowly but surely, we're getting there. Landscaping, not much has changed, but grass is coming soon. I still don't know how we drove this car across the country. How do we do that? How did we drive that thing?
I don't know, I'm dying in here. I can't even imagine.
My spine is compressed. I'm sweating everywhere.
Me too, my back is.
We are not a pretty sight right now. Not a pretty sight. But that Aventador Roadster, oh my gosh, you want to back her in? One of the coolest things about Lamborghini, they've been around for 60 years, and yet you can see the evolution from the Countach to the Aventador. It's so crazy to think that this car company started because Ferrari offended Lamborghini. One of the most amazing stories of our time. I just realized the catch cans for the oil were in the wrong spot, but oh well, sometimes in life. But keep it coming, it's so cool. I still love these cars. As far as the 1-2 punch, yep, you got it, so keep coming a little bit more, a little bit more. Tell me how you really feel.
Dead.
It's exhausting.
It is.
It is absolutely exhausting.
It takes so much work to drive.
It does, because you can't have the windows rolled up.
No, you can't.
Because you can't see in the mirrors,
You need
the
glass.
noise, the loud, the sun, but then the white interior is reflecting up. Yeah. Here's the Countach is dripping just the tiniest amount of oil, and if our calculations are correct, one of these 3 catch cans, we gotta have better luck, right? Hey, that's a super flu. We're back. We missed you. Yeah, we missed you. You missed out on Lamborghini Day. Where were you? Now, Sophia and Oscar think the video's done, but the video's not quite done. It's only just begun. We got a lot more work to do.
What are we doing?
We gotta push a 7,000-pound Jeep Gladiator out of the garage. But first, we're gonna get something to drink, right, Oscar? Hey, Oscar, bud. You're gonna help, right? So step 1 before the monsoon hits, earlier this morning it was nothing but sunshine, is to get my dad's truck moved. Girl, come on. Every time, what? Let's go. I haven't ran the truck in like 2 weeks. Okay. The fact that that turned right on over, I tell you, they don't make them like they used to. Now I'm gonna make you guys a promise right here, right now. Today marks the final time I am ever jump starting the Gladiator in the history of my YouTube channel. That's not because I'm selling it, it's because it's never gonna have a dead battery ever again. Mark my words, I promise it's never gonna happen. I gotta drive it more often. I gotta hook it up to a trickle charger, but I have a plan in place and I think you guys are gonna like it. So I already tried this a couple days ago with the booster pack, but just for prosperity's sake, we're gonna give her a take 2. Well, maybe, just maybe, today will be our lucky day. It's not looking very good though so far. We got a lot of flashing lights. Yeah, I don't think today's our day. Because the Gladiator has a dead battery, I can't actually get into neutral, but there's this little like port door right in front of the shifter. And if you unclip that, this little orange thing, you pull on this. All I can say is if Horatio Pagani is watching today's video, take note, figure out a way to put a wire in neutral a little bit easier. If you know, you know. Sophia! Oh, you're right there. I need your muscles. I just screamed to the top of my lungs. Oscar, I need your muscles too, bud. Yeah, you could be the supervisor. No. No. Come on. Really?
This thing's pretty hard.
No, gosh. Oh, come on. No, it's stuck. I don't know what's going on. It's supposed to be a neutral. Clearly, I am an idiot. Not the first time. Well, the official verdict, we're gonna sit and we're gonna wait. We're gonna try to be patient for once in our lives. We're at 9.5 volts and the number we're looking for is 12 to 14 volts. So give it maybe like 20, 30 minutes and hopefully we're good. Every single time, every single... I hate ending a video defeated, but I don't really know what else to do, at least this evening. Jumper cables aren't long enough to jump start it off the TRX. I can't get the truck in neutral to push it out of the garage. The battery pack was on there for like an hour and a half. It did absolutely nothing. There's only one reason I wanted to move the Gladiator, and that was for this. The electric vehicle charge station I finally got installed here at the house for the Hummer EV. Someday, one day, the Hummer EV is gonna be sat right here charging on this, but for now, we got a dead Gladiator with a Hellcat. I guess today's video, yep, today's video is over.